we are going to talk about the top phrases in Spanish. Let's start. Hola means hello. ¿Qué tal? How are you? ¿Qué pasa? What's up? The next phrase, it is ¿Cómo estás? Means how are you? For example, if you are with a friend and then you say ¿Cómo estás? Also, if you realize that your friend is a little stranger, perhaps he or she is not feeling so good, you ask ¿Cómo estás? Bien, gracias. Good, thank you. Adiós means goodbye. It's a formal way to say. Also, you can say Hasta pronto, see you soon. Also, you can use Chao. For example, you are in a meeting with some friends and then you realize that oh my God, it's too late, I have to go. So, hasta pronto. Or you can say Chao or Adiós. The next phrase, it is Bienvenidos, means welcome. So you use the phrase, when, for example, someone is coming to your house, some guest. So you open the door and you say, Bienvenidos. But in Spanish, if it's only one guest, you say, Bienvenido. But if you have more than one guest, 2, 3, 5, 10, you say, Bienvenidos. With S. Buenos días means good morning. So, when the day starts and you wake up, then you say to your family, to your friends, where you are living, Buenos días. Also, when you are walking with a cup of coffee or cup of tea, and then you find a coworker, you say Buenos días. Buenas tardes means good afternoon. Buenas noches means good evening and also good night. For example, you can use buenas noches after sunset when it's dark. Also, if you're going to visit some friends, you can start saying Hola, buenas noches. Buenas noches, also, you can use it when you are going to sleep. Buenas noches. Good night. ¿Cómo te va? How are you doing? Muy bien. Very good. No muy bien. Not so good. The next phrase, it is ¿Cuál es tu nombre? Means what is your name? For example, you are in a party with some friends, have fun, and then you would like to ask someone new, what is your name? So then you go in, the music is there, and then you ask, Hola, ¿cuál es tu nombre? Estoy aprendiendo español. Means I'm learning Spanish. For example, if someone asks you, what are you doing these days? Estoy aprendiendo español. Por favor means please. So if you need for a favor, you say por favor. Gracias means thank you. For example, would you like a cup of coffee? Sí, gracias. De nada means you're welcome. But you use this when someone tells you gracias and then you answer de nada. Now we're going to learn the phrase no hay de qué. Means no problem. For example, if you need some help because you need to know an address and you ask to someone, excuse me, do you know where the address is? So the answer will be, okay, the address is this avenue, etc., etc. And then you say, thank you. And the person answers, no hay de qué, means no problem. The next phrase is disculpe, means excuse me. For example, if someone asks you for something and you are not listening, you say disculpe, lo siento, means I'm sorry. If I forget, for example, meeting with some friend at the time and he or she was waiting for me, perhaps 1 hour. So then I'm late and I say, lo siento, I'm sorry. Hasta pronto, see you soon. Besos y abrazos. Also, when you are walking with a cup of coffee